Hey everyone, it's Raim from Killer Inc. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Stigma-Rotary Shot. The Shot is the latest rotary machine from the guys at Stigma and brings some nifty new features to the market. So let's take a closer look. The Shot is the only direct drive tattoo machine around with a stroke length that is quick and easy to adjust without the need to exchange parts or use tools. By simply twisting the motor, you can adjust the stroke length of the Stigma Shot on the fly from 3mm to 4mm. This rotary is also the only direct drive machine with force stay up function for standard needles and cartridges, which means that the needles always stop at the upper position. This function makes the Shot the safest direct drive machine available. Powering the Stigma Shot is a high quality 6-watt coreless motor with a 2mm shaft and 2 preloaded ball bearings. The machine also features a protected, gold-plated RCA connection here. Thanks to its universal screw-on connection, you can use the Shot with cartridge grips from all major brands, as well as grips with a backstem for standard tattoo needles. The rotary is also very lightweight, topping the scales at only 76 grams. You'll find that it offers optimal performance for all styles of tattooing. The Stigma-Rotary Shot is available in black, red and army green and can be ordered from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen the Shot, what do you think of Stigma's direct drive machine? Will you be picking one up for yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.